What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video I'm gonna be unboxing the iPhone 11, the new product that my girlfriend just got. She upgraded from her old iPhone, that was the iPhone XR, and I decided to record this video to show you how beautiful is this fancy color of the iPhone. The green with this amazing metallical borders. I'm gonna be comparing this iPhone with her old iPhone, that was the XR. The battery, it's really better. The cameras, it's better because you have dual sensors. The Face ID, it's faster. The screen, it's stronger, the screen lights. It comes with the phone, the headphones, the charger, that was the simple one, the manual, it's a little heavier comparing to the old iPhone with the same screen size, that is 6.1 inches. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes. And I see you later. All the best!